my dear students, welcome to our 8th session of area related to circle, right? हमने 7th session complete कर लिया है. Today we are going to solve MCQs 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37 from the Adi Sharma book. So be ready with notebook and pen to solve with me. Let's start. Here we go with question number 33. If the area of a sector of circle bounded by an arc length 5 pi centimeter is equal to 20 pi centimeter square. So two things are given. One is area of the sector is given and arc of length given. Okay. Based on the formula, we can find out the radius of the circle. So first is given arc of the length. Let's write arc of the length of arc is equal to 5 pi. Another one is given area of sector, right? Area of sector, that is 20 pi cm square. So simultaneously we will solve both the formulas. Okay. I'm just doing partitions. So write down here the formula first. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 5 pi. Okay. Keep theta like that only. Theta upon 360 multiplied by 2r is equal to 5. Where is the pi? Pi is just simplified. Okay. Pi is simplified. Now 2r is equal to 5 multiplied by 360 upon theta. Okay. And r is equal to 5 multiplied by 360 upon 2 into theta. Now we will put the value of r in the area of the sector. Okay. एक हमें मिल गया value of r. Okay. Now we will put the r value here. Pi r square multiplied by theta upon 360 is equal to 20 pi. Okay. After simplification, pi and pi. So write down r multiplied by r square था उसे r and r multiplied by theta upon 360 is equal to 20. So instead of 1 r, we can put this value r multiplied by this value 5 multiplied by 360 upon 2 into theta. इसलिए किसी भी नंबर को मैंने मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया है बिकॉज सी हियर सब सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली you can simplify theta 360. Okay. So only 5 upon 2 is there. It will be cross multiplied. R is equal to 40 upon 5. That is 8 cm. Okay. So the correct option is 8 cm, option C. Okay. Which is the option C is our आंसर. आया समझ में? दो फॉर्मूलाज को बेस करके हमने R कैसे निकाला है. Now next question. Question number 34. In the figure, the ratio of the areas of two sectors S1 and S2. Okay, ये हमारा figure is given. We need to find out the ratio of this area and this area. This is S1 and S2. So directly we will put the formula. Let the radius be r. Let the radius r. Okay. So area of the sector. Area of sector. Formula क्या है? Pi r square multiplied by theta upon 360. Right. So here we will take first S1, area of S1, area of S1 upon area of S2. So write down here pi r square multiplied by, instead of theta, 120 upon 360 divided by pi r square multiplied by 150 upon 360, because 150 and 120 are the thetas. Okay. So everything will get simplified. Pi r square, 360 only 120 upon 150. Okay, after simplification, you will get 4 upon 5. That means ratio is 4:5. So our correct option is option D. Option D is the correct option. Question number 35. If the area of a sector of a circle is 5 upon 18 of the area of the circle, then the sector angle is, so what is required here? Theta. Okay, we need to find out theta, but given क्या है, वो बोला है कि area of the sector of circle, area of sector of a circle is equal to 5 upon 18 into area of circle. Okay, area of circle. So we will put the formula. यहाँ पे formula already mentioned है. Pi r square multiplied by theta upon 360 is equal to 5 upon 80 multiplied by pi r square. Okay, we can cancel pi r square from both the sides. And you can simplify like this also. 18 ones are 18 and 18 twos are 36, 0. So after cross multiplication, theta is equal to 100 degree. Okay, 5 and 20 को multiply करना है. Theta is equal to 100 degree and correct option is option C. Next question. Question number 36. I think it is just similar to question number 35. No change is that, only fraction changed. If the area of the sector of a circle is 7 upon 20 of the area of the circle, same diya hai, then the sector angle is equal to, again required theta. So directly we will put area of the sector pi r square multiplied by theta upon 360 degree is equal to 7 upon 20 into pi r square. We can simplify directly pi r square and pi r square. Okay, so theta is equal to 7 multiplied by 360 upon 20. Here also we can simplify 0, 0 to 18. Okay, so the answer will be your 126. Right, 126 degree. And which is the correct option? Option D is the correct one. Okay, option D. So let's see the next question. Question number 37. In the figure, if ABC is an equilateral triangle, then shaded area is equal to. Okay, shaded area means again segment. So we need to find out the area of the segment formula. But before that, we have to know the theta. राइट, हमें तो थीटा का वैल्यू पता नहीं है. अच्छा, एक क्लू दिया है, अगर एबीसी आपका इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल हुआ तो ये कितना होगा? ए एंगल विल बी आवर 60 डिग्री. अगर ये 60 डिग्री हुआ, ओ कितना होगा? बिकॉज ओ सेंटर एंगल है, तो डेफिनेटली इट इज द डबल ऑफ एंगल ए. सो दैट मीन्स इट विल बी योर 120 डिग्री. ओके, जो सेंटर एंगल रहता है वो डबल होता है. ये हमने 9th में पढ़ा था. So therefore angle BOC is equal to 2 BAC, right? चलो मैं स्टार्टिंग से लिखती हूँ, आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो. So I am writing from beginning. मैंने तो वहां पे एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, given that is, okay, triangle which is inscribed in a circle, inscribed in a circle, right? Center is O and radius R. Okay, given radius R. So let's now BO and COR, which what are they? Radius, right? क्या है वो BO और CO radius है. So therefore BOC is equal to 2 BAC. That means 2 into 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. BOC is 120 degree, which is theta. Now, area of the shaded portion, area of shaded portion is equal to क्या होगा? अभी थीटा 120 डिग्री है तो डायरेक्टली वी विल पुट द फॉर्मूला. याद है फॉर्मूला आप लोगों को? थीटा अपन 360, थीटा अपन 360 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर साइन थीटा अपन 2 एंड कॉस थीटा अपन 2. नाउ अभी हमें क्या करना है? फॉर सिर्फ वैल्यूज डालना है. थीटा की जगह पे 120. अगेन मैं बोल रही हूँ ये साइन थीटा अपन 2 नहीं है, साइन थीटा अपन 2 है. सो इट विल बी आवर 120 अपन 360. ओके, हम आर कॉमन ले लेते हैं, ठीक है, इनटू पाई. डोंट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई हियर बिकॉज आपके ऑप्शन में कहीं पे भी पाई का वैल्यू दिया नहीं है, तो जस्ट लीव इट. साइन थीटा की जगह पे 120 है, 120 अपन 2 क्या होता है? 60 डिग्री एंड कॉस 60 डिग्री. अभी बाहर हम लिख लेते हैं आर स्क्वायर. ओके, सो आर स्क्वायर को हमने कॉमन ले लिया है. अभी वैल्यूज सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. पाई अपन 3 आएगा बिकॉज 120 और 360 को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो, एंड साइन 60 का वैल्यू अंडर रूट 3 अपन 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 अपन 2. ओके, आर स्क्वायर. नाउ पाई अपन 3 माइनस अंडर रूट 3 अपन 4 आर स्क्वायर. Okay, so this is our final answer. And what is the correct option? Option A. Okay, so 37 तक हमने complete कर लिया है. Daily practice करो. Then see you in our next session. Bye bye.